Started my career with radio, so I was a radio jockey. 2015-16 में Instagram किसी को पता ही नहीं था. They used to ask me, अच्छा ये वीडियो का करोगे क्या? ये कहाँ डालोगे? People tell me that they don't like the gym. Then for them I tell them that then you must love the hospital. It will become like that Baba Cycle song, you know, baby go to the gym, baby go to the gym. But so lead by example. That will be more easier so that you can always tell them that, see, I don't eat all these things, I am leading a healthy lifestyle, and that's why you should do it.
Acha, lovely that is.
Yeah. So
I would like to know more about this in details. Hi everyone, welcome to the Storyteller Studio. Today at our studio we have Mithali, who is a super mommy and also a digital creator. Hi Mithali.
Hi Poonam.
So let's speak about womanhood, motherhood and self-care.
So what do you want to exactly know? Because these three things are interlinked, but as a topic, they are huge.
Actually, I want to really know, being a mother is not easy. Being a woman, absolutely not easy. With all this, we forget to take care of ourselves.
Yeah, right.
So can you give some tips to all the mothers or all the ladies watching our show?
Everybody keeps on asking me that, how do you do this? You are a super mom, because that's my Instagram handle as well, Supermom Mithali. But I think every mother has some superpowers, Otherwise that woman can't be a mother, is what I tell people. So I think first step to becoming a good mother is taking care of yourself. Because if you are not in a good space, then what will you give to your kids?
Right.
And I always tell people that spending a lot of quantity time with your kids is not important. That 1 hour or those 2 hours of quality time is more important,
Right.
So devise your day in such a way that you are spending that quality time with your kid, you're doing your work, and you're also taking care of yourself, because kids observe you. It's not that only what you're telling them, okay, eat healthy, but if you are eating junk or vada pav or burgers and sweets, they'll say ki arey mummy aap to sab khate ho, then why should we not eat?
Correct.
So lead by example. That'll be more easier so that you can always tell them that, see, I don't eat all these things, I am leading a healthy lifestyle, and that's why you should do it.
Correct. Any self-care tips that you could give mothers to the mothers watching us?
Health should be our first priority, because a lot of people tell me that they don't like the gym. Then for them, I tell them that, then you must love the hospital.
Oh wow.
Because अगर जिम अच्छा नहीं लगता तो हॉस्पिटल बहुत जल्दी और बहुत बार जाना पड़ेगा.
Acha. Every one of us need to work out in the gym, or there has to be some sort of exercise in your daily schedule?
So I think we were taught this on day 1, first standard, first chapter, first line of science textbook, that protein is the building block of the body. तो हमने आगे पढ़ लिया, we have become doctors, we have become, we have excelled in lot of other fields, we have come up, but ये first standard का first line भूल गए. So protein is the building block of the body. So first of all, you have to take protein. And what protein does is that it helps to build your muscle. So muscle is very important. It has to be done. Now when we see a lot of athletes, कुछ भी हो जाए, maybe it's swimming, it's badminton, it's cricket, it's football, we just see that, they are fit because they are playing football, they are fit because they are swimming, they are fit because they are playing badminton. But every athlete, what he or she does is, they do go to the gym to build a certain amount of muscle.
Correct.
And people think that, muscle means, Arnold Schwarzenegger. In fact, there are people who come to the gym and they say that हमको Arnold जैसा नहीं बनना है. But I tell them कि Arnold जैसा आप सपने में भी नहीं बन सकते, because go and watch his documentary on, how he has built that physique.
Correct.
It is absolutely not easy. So ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है कि आप एक दिन जिम चले जाओगे और दूसरे सो जाओगे और Arnold बन जाओगे. So muscle does not mean a muscular or a heavy looking man. Muscle is a organ. It's the largest organ of your body, and it's the organ of longevity. So in simple terms, if I have to tell you what a muscle is, now this is sofa. इसके अंदर लकड़ी है, springs है, whatever hai. But there is this cushioning there. That's why we are comfortably sitting on a sofa and we are enjoying. If
Right.
we had to directly sit on the strings और वो लकड़ी के ऊपर directly बैठ तो वो चुभता, right?
Right.
So that lakdi or those strings are our bones, and the soft cotton tissue which is making the sofa comfortable and making it a sofa is the muscle. So we all need muscle, and especially women need muscle,
Right.
because after 25 and after delivery, we lose 10% of our muscle mass every year. So, you know, every year you're aging and people say, oh, I don't want to tell my age. I don't want to reveal my age. In fact, I tell people that I'm 39 and people tell me, why? What? No. That is because
You don't look your age.
you don't look like a mother. You don't look 39. That is because I am not great. I follow somebody who is great and I work out every day.
That's nice. So, in short, you're trying to tell us and our listeners is that
Yeah.
just not by sitting at home and having a protein shake, you'll build up your muscles or you'll become healthy. You have to do it hand in hand, like workouts, eat healthy, and have your proteins at the right time, right?
Yeah. So you have to eat healthy and you have to do weight training. Some kind of weight training is very important.
Very important, especially after delivery, you're trying to say.
One of the greatest gifts that you can give to any person is a gym membership. You know, so how I discovered gym is I was just walking with a friend of mine who happened to be a bodybuilder, and he used to stay in my building itself, and we were just walking, and I used to always tell him, यार शाम को बहुत कंटाला आता है यार. It's very boring in the evenings. My parents are not there at home. My sister goes for her classes. Now everybody is busy in their own thing. What can I do? So he just looked around, and there was a gym right there, and he said, शाम को बोर होता है ना, ये gym जाओ. And that's how I started going to the gym.
Oh.
But I started going when I was 18 years old, just because शाम को करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. And यहाँ पे जाने से कोई friends मिलेंगे, friendship होगी, time pass होगा. But I think for everyone, they should start their basic bodybuilding, or I would not say bodybuilding, weight training from the age of 10. Yeah.
Mithali, just if you could tell us, how has your journey been? Like when you were not a mother,
Yeah.
you were like a young girl, and then you got married, and
Yeah.
then of course having kids, things really change.
Yeah.
And how has it been? Do the brands approach you lesser once you become a mother, or it's just a mindset that we all think that once you become a mother, career chala gaya? ऐसा होता है?
So I started working in 2006 when I was 21 years old, and I started my career with radio. So I was a radio jockey. I used to host this show called as Purani Jeans
Achha,
on
wow.
Radio Mirchi. Yeah.
That's so exciting.
Yeah, so that was long time back. And then I've always, I was in the voice field, so I've worked with UTV and I worked with 9XM. And then as social media developed, I got really interested in this new field. You know, what is Facebook? That time Facebook hua karta tha. Then came Twitter, then came Pinterest, then came Instagram. So I started my YouTube journey when my daughter was born. You know, so I've been a content creator for mothers because I used to talk about parenting. So I would not know how brands change their approach when you are a mother and you're not a mother.
Achha.
Because I was always into parenting. But that is when social media started. But one thing I've seen, Instagram also changed for so many years, you know. So 2015-16 mein Instagram kisi ko pata hi nahi tha. And you know, when that time I used to talk to a lot of people. It was not a podcast as such because people wouldn't understand. So I used to call them up and tell them that मैं आपका interview लेने के लिए आ रही हूँ. The first thing they used to ask is, आप कैसे interview लोगे? आप लिखोगे? So then we used to be like, no, we have a camera setup. Then they are like, no, इतने बड़े camera मत लाना. Because they used to always think camera means they are Madhuri Dixit. And there are 10-15 cameras with drones and that track following them everywhere.
पहले तो ऐसे ही होता था, right, मिताली?
Because they've always only seen Madhuri Dixit, Sri Devi, and everybody dancing, and Karan Johar and Yash Chopra recording them with those big cameras. So first of all, that time people used to not understand only कि camera छोटा भी हो सकता है. Then came a digital age where, you know, phones that time also did not have a proper camera.
Right.
So people did not understand video at all. So the
Correct.
questions that I used to get were very funny. They were like, people did not know YouTube also that time. So they used to ask me, अच्छा ये video का करोगे क्या? ये कहाँ डालोगे? Then I used to tell them YouTube. Then they used to ask me, YouTube क्या होता है? So I've seen not only brands, but people change over these 10 years. Now we can't believe it, right? And it was just 10 years back.
Yeah. So you've grown with the change.
Yeah. And I had to actually convince people कि ये छोटा camera है. We will not occupy a lot of space. The mic will be very small. It can be done in your office. And we'll do the editing. It will come on YouTube. You will get the link. So उनको सब समझाना पड़ता
बहुत
था.
कन्विंस करना पड़ता था.
हाँ, उनको सब समझाना पड़ता था. And then my guests were all normal people. They were principals of some famous schools. They were normal people. They were dietitians. So I spoke to my dietitian. In fact, our kids used to go to the school. I spoke to that school principal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. What was her name? Nidhi. Yeah. And that interview came in very well because, you know, I asked her questions like, what is the right time when kids should start school? Because, you know, some parents used to say, 1.5 साल का हो गया स्कूल में डाल दो, 6 महीने का है तो भी स्कूल में डाल दो. Yeah, people are always confused, and now also people are confused. School mein, what is the right age to do that? I mean, we slowly started from YouTube, and then when Instagram came in, I started my Instagram journey first as a parenting or a mommy blogger, and then slowly I shifted to sustainability. So when in 2020 the lockdown started, all of us had so much time. So and that is fortunately the time when we shifted into a bigger house which had 2 balconies. बॉम्बे में ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट
लग्जरी है प्रॉपर.
So this was one of my hobbies and I had totally forgotten about it, you know. So the last plant that I had taken care of was in 10th standard. And तभी सब लोग बोलते हैं ना, अभी आपको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. So वो plants भी तभी मर गए थे. And after that, in 10th standard was maybe, you know, some 10-15 years back. तो 2020 में जब भी टाइम मिला, I rekindled my hobby of gardening. And then we used to keep on researching कि इसमें क्या खाद डाले, you know, what are the fertilizers that we should use. And from everywhere I started getting this that compost is the best. Compost is the best. So I started researching on how to make compost, how to make homemade compost. And I got one video. कभी-कभी recommendations में आ जाता है ना. Once you start searching, you kind of start getting those recommendations. एक वीडियो आया कि this was my kachra. I used to throw 10 bags of kachra every day. And now I'll show you my kachra. So she just pulled out one small ball from her pocket and said, this is what the kachra is of 1 month that I'm going to throw. And I was like, wow. I looked at my kachra and it was 10 bags only. So I started thinking, is zero waste lifestyle क्या होता है? And fortunately, that time the lockdown had opened up and we were traveling. And the friend who was supposed to come with us, she couldn't come, but her sister came. And I started talking to her, you know, ये zero waste क्या होता है, ऐसा होता है. And she's like, कर रहा है? And I was like, yes. So she then introduced me to one of the best persons and one of a very good friend of mine called as Sonika.
Okay.
Who is one of the front runners of zero waste lifestyle. She's in Bombay only, and she told me the entire thing of how to compost, how to recycle, what should you do, what, you know, I changed everything right from my shampoo to the soap that I use at home, and now everything that I use is zero waste. That means it does not come in a plastic packaging. It comes in a paper packaging. Many times it's wrapped in a newspaper. And it's not harmful for the environment. It's eco-friendly and it is also cost-effective.
Acha, lovely that is.
Yeah. So
I would like to know more about this in details.
So that is what I talk about on my Instagram now. So from parenting and only parenting and how to take care of kids and how to keep them busy, because that I also thought that a lot of other people are doing and they're doing it very well. So from that, I shifted to sustainable parenting. which is raising my kids in a zero waste house. Zero waste house means that we don't have any dustbins at home, and we don't have any dustbins since I think 2021. Because when I started learning about this, also takes time, Nobody just suddenly becomes a dustbin free
But
or a
how do you
complete
do
zero
that? How
waste
do you do that?
house. So it's very simple.
Without a dustbin?
So whatever kitchen waste is there, I compost the kitchen waste. All the wet waste in the kitchen is composted. It becomes a fertilizer. We call it black gold. And whatever is, first of all, we only use all these zero waste brands, right? So वहाँ पे plastic पूरा खत्म हो गया, because no plastic comes home.
Right.
But it is not that my kids don't eat biscuits or they don't consume any plastic wala things. We don't consume mineral water and all, but kids sometimes do consume biscuits, chocolates. Sometimes they consume all this Coke and Fanta and all these
You
things,
can't
because they
stop
are kids.
everything, huh?
We've limited their quantity, but we have not completely stopped them, because then that will be like taking away their childhood. So whenever we have something disposable, we first of all wash. Suppose it's a can of a soda bottle, a Coke can. We wash it, we dry it, and then we send it for recycling. Or similarly, milk packet. We do consume milk.
Correct.
So milk packet, like how you must have seen your dadis and nanis doing it.
right.
पहले जमाने में करते थे.
Wash करके रख देते थे.
Wash करके रखते थे, तो उसका सब smell चला जाता था. And then dry करके we send it for recycling.
So you have someone who comes to pick up those things, or you have to
so
go?
there are many organizations. There is Recircle, there is 5-hour cycle. So ये अगर store करके रखेंगे, it is dry. It is like paper and plastic.
Right.
तो इसमें कुछ smell नहीं आता है, and no cockroaches get attracted to this. One more great thing happened is that we used to have this problem of rats and cockroaches in our house. Since we've started composting and recycling, cockroach है ही नहीं हमारे घर में.
क्या बात है. That's a great solution. One of the most sensitive issue, mental health. This is a very sensitive and a very important issue.
Yeah.
So what do you think about it?
So I think, when you start taking care of yourself and when you start going to now everybody will say, her only solution is go to the gym. It will become like that Baba Cycle song, baby go to the gym, baby go to the gym. But but it is true. When you go to the gym and when you work out, there are these good hormones called as endorphins, which are released.
Correct.
So half the battle is fought there, and you are not even doing anything. Your body is doing it. Body is releasing the good hormones, endorphins, jo bhi hai. It's making you look good. So you feel nice. So you start getting compliments. So you start feeling even more nice. You lose the weight, and then your old clothes fit, and then you again feel nice.
Yeah.
So, once you hit the gym, a lot of things start falling into place. But mental health is one of the most important things in today's age, and it's always been. So I studied psychology in school. So I think we were talking about this last time also, and I was mentioning it to you. So there was a family member in our house, and it was my bua only. Now she is no more, but she was the most sweetest person I ever knew. When she used to come home, I used to be like, wow, aaj to bua aayi hai. She used to get us sweets, she used to get us presents, she used to talk so nicely. She was a very warm person. And when we used to go to her house, everybody was very happy because she used to remember what sweet or what dish each of us liked, and she used to make it for us. And she was a great cook. But once what happened is, she came to our house and she started fighting. And then I don't know what happened. She had gone out of our house into others' houses, and the fight continued, and she had locked everybody out. वो पहले ज़माने में वो कड़ी होती थी, and she locked everybody. And then I was like, how could this happen? Because she is the most sweetest person I know. I was not even aware.
Watching all this? Are you?
Yeah, and I was watching all this, and I was like 6-7 years old that time. I couldn't believe. And after that I started getting scared of her. Because इतनी अच्छी थी, suddenly it's like, वो बोलते हैं ना कुछ आत्मा टाइप आ गई है बॉडी में.
हाँ, माता they call it.
हाँ, माता. Then my mom told me that, she has some mental issues. And from that time I started, thinking what is mental health and all that. And I started reading because we had a lot of books at home. And then that nudged me towards studying psychology.
Yeah.
So when we were studying psychology, people used to say, ये लोग पागल के डॉक्टर बनने वाले. But now that पागल का डॉक्टर is like the most sought after, everybody now. I used to only hear it in movies and series that I have a shrink and I have a psychologist, and people used to feel great saying that. But I think that is a great thing that has happened and come to India. We blindly follow the West, but then this blindly following the West has led us here. But I think that, women should take care of their own mental health. But if it is not happening and you're consistently feeling sad, you're feeling depressed, don't shy away from reaching out to a psychologist.
Yeah.
Now, there are so many groups that we have on WhatsApp. And most of the women are part of so many groups. I think we should also ask about these things. That do you know a good psychologist? I think I need to go to one.
Openly ask, because only when you ask you get your answers.
Yeah,
that is something that we need to still adapt from the West.
Yeah. And I think many times we may be taking good care of ourselves. We may be doing everything we can, but there is a disruption of the hormone. They are going up and down in our body, which we are not aware of. And that sometimes makes us feel sad.
Correct.
So I think doing yearly blood checkups and going to a proper doctor, maintaining your health, and then also if nothing is happening, or if that doctor tells you that, maybe your hormonal levels are fluctuating because of this and that, you take a call of whether you should see a psychologist.
Right.
Yeah. And then that is how you take care of your mental health.
Agreed. Mitali, you're a mother.
Yes.
You have to take care of your house, your homes, you have 2 dogs.
Yeah.
Plus, you're a content creator.
Yes.
Isn't that mentally draining?
So, when people see your Instagram and they see that, you have such a big following and you're doing so many campaigns and all, it all looks very rosy, but it can be mentally draining. It can be mentally draining because it's a field where so many new people are jumping in every time. How do you make a difference? And it has happened to me that I've gone on Instagram every day in the morning and felt sad.
अच्छा.
अरे इतने लोग अच्छा content बना रहे हैं, हमारा कौन देखेगा? Oh, yeah, so many new people have come. Why will brands approach us? Or, there is also a comparison that used to happen a few years back. Oh, these few people got this campaign, I did not get it. So it can be mentally draining. And also when you go to these events, there are these so many people. Some of them are really sweet. Some of them are fake. Some of them have grown very fast. And we all know how they've grown. And there are also celebs who are now entering into this. We call them mini celebs.
Oh, the influencers, or you're talking
celebs who have come into blogging
Achha.
or Instagram. They are mini celebs.
Oh wow, nice name, huh?
छोटे से celebs जो अभी Instagram पे आ रहे, but then brands do approach them and they do get big monies. Or there are certain actresses who are now having kids, so they are also now into this game. So earlier when I started in 2014 and 2016 onwards, a lot of brands started approaching. गिने चुने ये 5-6 लोग होते थे जो who were there that time. So we still meet and we talk about all these things, those 5-6 of us, the OG bloggers. Yeah. But it on me also, this Instagram thing has taken a toll. But now when I shifted to sustainable parenting, I started looking at it in a completely different way. Because it was not, for me, it is not about making money. It is not about fame. It is not about gaining followers. It's not about numbers. Oh, uski reel 1 million पहुंच गई, मेरी क्यों नहीं पहुंची, इतना ये हुआ वो हुआ. It's now my thing is all about spreading awareness.
Right.
Like how I was talking to you about a zero waste lifestyle. If somebody watching this video, there are 10,000 people watching this video, and even if 2 people change, that's a big win for us. You know,
Right.
so it was a change of mentality. So when you decide that, you know, all you want to do is mentally make people aware, then your focus changes, and your approach towards that whole dynamic changes. And now when I meet people, and now when brands approach me, they also look at us in a very different way. So somebody who is spreading awareness.
Mitali, now the most important part.
Yeah.
Women and their relationship.
Yeah.
Mother and their relationships.
Yeah.
You know, how do we maintain different relationships we have with everyone, let it be our in-laws, our siblings, our partner, our kids.
Yeah.
And with that, we have to even maintain the most important relationship तो मुझे लगता है हमारे खुद के साथ होता है.
Yeah.
That, you know, you have to self-love,
Yes.
which is very important.
Yes.
So how do we do that?
So I think, Poonam, when we love ourselves, then all the relationships starts falling into place.
Okay.
Yeah. And for that, I think these podcasts are really amazing, because every day I listen to a lot of podcasts.
Mm-hmm.
There are podcasts on mental well-being. There are podcasts on manifestation. There are podcasts on health. There are podcasts on, you know, curly hair. There are podcasts on anything and everything. And I think YouTube has done a great job in bringing up these podcasts and giving them a separate tab, and, you know, really making them reach a lot of us, because we can't actually go and meet these people, but we can actually take some learnings from them. So every podcast teaches me a lot of things, and it's a great thing that you also started one podcast.
Thank you.
And here we can be learning from so many different people, and these are all normal people.
Normal people,
Yeah, they are not celebrities, you know,
yeah.
because not everybody can be a Bollywood star, but everybody is a celebrity in their own right.
In their own way.
Yeah, in their own way. Yeah, so I think this teaches us how to take care of relationships. And what I have done in my life is that, you know, I have only maintained, I would not say relationship तो अपना सबके साथ ही होता है, but I've only maintained a close group of friends. So I only have these 3-4 friends, and they are my go-to. कुछ अगर ये problem हुआ तो I talk to this friend. अगर ये problem हुआ तो I talk to this friend. For partying, we have a separate group. You know, so I've kept it like a compartment.
Right.
So that is what makes me happy. Now everybody here has to find out, you know, what makes them happy. Mm-hmm. Somebody may be happy with a huge bunch of friends and they would like to party every weekend. So I think as we age, people say, "Arey, aap apna age kyun bolte ho?" But you know, I have been loving myself since I was 35 years old. You know, so वो 35 से ही वो journey start हुआ, and as you age, you grow wiser. सुनते थे पहले, but अभी you know खुद experience कर रहे हैं. So
सुनते थे पहले, अभी खुद experience हो रहा है. सही बोला आपने.
But I think 30s, now they say that 30s are your new 20s, 40s are your new 30s. Age is just a number. Start enjoying life is what I would tell people, and then all the relationships will fall into place.
Right.
When you are in that moment of sadness कि अरे मैंने ये सोचा था कि मैं 35 में ये करूंगी पर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, I'm just a housewife or I've just been running behind money. छोड़ दो वो सब, छोड़ दो. Just look at your achievements, because if you look from a third person's point of view, definitely we would have achieved a lot. Celebrate those achievements, make new milestones, manifest those milestones, but in that journey also always be happy.
I agree.
You know, life is a journey. It's not a destination. कि मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच गई, then I will be happy. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. If you're a sad person, even if you reach US or you are in Greece or you are in the most wonderful island of the world, still you're not going to be happy if internally you are very sad. So first feel happy, then everything will fall into place.
You're right. So in short, self-love is something that you have to start doing right now. and then everything is in place. Everything automatically
will fall into
gets
place.
into
Yeah.
place. Right. Thank you so much, Mitali. It was
Thank
so
you.
good to have you. You are so real, and that's what Storyteller Studio is all about.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
people always say, fake it to make it. But I would say, do not fake it, and then only you can make it.
I totally agree. Thank you so much, Mitali.
Thank you, Poonam.